I am Dr. Sharat Kulkarni, Ayurvedic consultant and surgeon at Jeevottama Health, Bilekahalli, Bengaluru. Dry cough and fever usually affects many of the people these days, and maybe because of the reduced immunity also. So few of the things which are to be done, like do's during the dry cough and fever, are like they have to keep warm always. They should intake the warm food which is very light, and then they should drink warm water itself, and shouldn't overeat. So this would be the main and important thing to mention to tackle the dry cough and fever. Little bit of ginger which is mixed with black pepper, that is 2 to 3 black pepper can be powdered mixed with ginger. This along with the honey, if it is taken every 2 to 3 hours, if it is consumed, then it would be of a great help in treating dry cough. Half to 1 spoon of turmeric powder, which has to be stirred in the hot water, mixed in the hot water, and it has to be taken at least 2 times a day, preferably in the morning and at night, will also be of a great help. Paste of fresh tulsi leaves, that is 2 to 3 tulsi leaves which are cleaned in boiled water, and then they are just made into paste, which is added with 1 or 2 spoons of honey and then a pinch of Saindao salt. If it is consumed, then it will give a greater relief in dry cough and fever also. A pinch of ginger powder mixed with a pinch of black pepper powder, which is again mixed with little bit of honey, and then the tulsi juice, again 2 to 3 fresh tulsi leaves can be taken and they can be made as a paste, and then if it is taken, then it will also be relieving the dry cough and fever. Garlic cloves will be of a greater help in order to tackle dry cough, cold or fever also. So 2 to 3 garlic pearls which are made as a paste, or the garlic cloves has to be taken along with the hot water. This will also definitely help.